Hello everyone! Today we will learn how to group elements in Saola Animate. Grouping makes it easier for you to move elements around on the canvas. I have a helicopter made up of the body, the blade, and the tail rotor. By grouping three elements together, I can position or rotate them as a single unit. To group multiple elements, you have to select them first. Then click the Group button on the toolbar, or right-click and select Group from the context menu. A rectangle shape appears to indicate the group boundary. You can see a group in the timeline and the Elements pane. Double-click a group name to rename it. In the Elements pane, all child elements are listed under and at the next indent level compared to their group name. You can click the arrow button to collapse or expand the child elements. If you want to add more elements to a group, you need to break a group first, then group all elements again. To break a group, select it. Click the Ungroup button on the toolbar, or you can select Ungroup from the context menu. Groups come in handy for animating multiple elements in the same way, instead of animating a single element with the same keyframes and properties. Groups have properties like other elements, meaning that you can animate their position, size, transform, and so on. You can also add events and actions to them. See how I make the helicopter take off. It might fly up a little bit. And tilt slightly. And rise it into the air. At the beginning of the timeline, there is a trigger that pauses the timeline. So now I will add a mouse click event to start the timeline. It will trigger the takeoff. And also, I will change the cursor that appears when I hover over the helicopter. So you can see that the animations I've added to the group also apply to all child elements. But remember that the direction of influence is only one way from parent to child, not from child to parent. It means that the properties of the child are relative to those of the parent. For example, I will create a group of two shapes. If I set the size unit of this shape to %, then any change of the parent size will lead to that of the child size. So it's the same rule when it comes to flexible layout, and we'll consider this feature in another tutorial. Back to today's topic of grouping, the last point is about how to work with child elements within a group. You can select and edit child elements separately without breaking and affecting the group. To select child elements, in the Timeline and Elements pane, just click an element name or its segments. Things on the canvas are a bit different, and you must select the group first, then you can select its child elements. So that's how to group elements in Saola Animate. Bye for now.